The main difference between the bras that you're wearing and My Super Bra is that if you have a smaller breast size, you won't need mega stuff pads to achieve a larger breast look. My Super Bra has smaller cups that are especially designed to lift your breast to give you a natural bigger cleavage. My Super Bra cups are not fixed to the bra body. Because of this, you can adjust the cups to any position that you like to fit your unique breast shape. My Super Bra is worn the same as traditional bras. With one hand, gently pull down on the cup. With your other hand, lift up one breast and bring it to the middle of your chest. Repeat the process for your other breast. Tie the bow to bring your breasts closer together for your desired amount of cleavage. The bra back expands to fit more sizes than traditional bra designs. My Super Bra. Wear it as an everyday bra. Wear it to enhance your cleavage. Wear it to even out different breast sizes and to create your individual perfect fit. Superior quality, soft Italian-made stretch fabric provides luxurious comfort and durability. You can have confidence in My Super Bra. It's tested for harmful chemicals and is safe to wear. In My Super Bra, no one will ever look better than you.